Students, so let's move on to the concluding part of this play, the proposal by Anton Chekhov. In the last video module, we have learnt that the discussion between all these three once again, now this time, instead of the ownership of the land, the discussion was on dogs. Whose dog is better or the best one? Lomo says, my guess is better than Squeezer. And Nathalia Chubuko says, no, our Squeezer is better than your guess. So, in this discussion, once again, that they start accusing to each other, abusing to each other. All these three characters. All are quarrelsome characters. That they start quarreling over some petty issues, some minor things. So finally what happened in this discussion, Lomo, that he suddenly falls. He could not tolerate and he falls there. And later on she asked her, she means here Nathalia, that she asked her father, Father, what has happened? What is the matter? What has happened to him? Then Chubuko, he thinks that what did he think, Chubuko? Chubuko thinks that he is feeling difficulty in breathing, because we know that Lomo, that he had a problem. It means he was suffering from palpitations, some heart beating that was not irregular. So that is why Chubuko thinks that he is having the difficulty in breathing. So that's why he is unconscious. Who? Lomo. And Nathalia, she feels that he is dead. Who? Lomo is dead. And he later on, in a hurry, Chubuko, that he was also confused, frightened, worried, and he calls for water plus a doctor. In that situation that he calls there, because he could not understand what to do there, because the man, he falls unconscious. And the doctor says, now he is no more, he is dead. So that is why in that frightening situation he calls here and there for the water, for a doctor. Now coming to the next point, concluding one. Then Chubuko asked him to marry Nathalia. After some time, what happened? In this situation, who seems helpless? Chubuko, that he seems helpless. Because the man was lying there, due to their problems, due to their such arguments about each other, or the quarrels over some these petty issues. So he seems helpless and he starts accusing to himself. Who starts accusing to himself? Chubuko, that he starts accusing to himself, that how unfortunate I am. Oh God, oh Lord, he says. Who? Chubuko. He asked for a knife and a pistol. Who? Chubuko asked, I want to end my life, that please give me a knife and a pistol. Plus, he calls himself the most unhappy of men in the world. Who? Chubuko, he calls himself the most unhappy man in the world. Next, Lomo starts, after some time, when Chubuko, when he was accusing of himself, after some time, Lomo, that he starts reviving. Reviving means coming to consciousness, that he starts. Just like saying something, uttering few words, opening the eyes, that he starts. And he says to them, what did he say? He sees stars, S-T-A-R-S, stars, he says. And he asked to them, who? Lomo asked to Nathalia and Chubuko, where he is now, where am I? He asked, just like he has lost his consciousness, just like memory loss, that he asked them, where am I? All are expert in pretending there. The same thing happened, where am I? Chubuko says that, yes, you are all right here, but Chubuko already, he got frightened and he says to him, to whom? Lomo, that hurry up now, that he should get married to Nathalia. who says, the father said, Chubuko says to Lomo, tells him that hurry up now, he should get married to her, Nathalaya. And she is also willing. When he asked about her, that time the father says, don't worry, that she is already willing. She is homesick. She is in love with you. So she is willing. She is ready. And hearing all these words, Nathalaya, when she heard that the father is ready, plus the man has come to propose her for the marriage, that time she became extremely happy. Who? Nathalaya. Already it means that we can say, we can guess that she loved him. Whom? Lomo. So that's why without any objection that she accepted the proposal. Plus before that also we have seen one thing. When Lomo exits for the first time, when she came to know that the man had come to propose her, that time she started accusing to her father and asked her that to bring him back at once. That time also we can understand that she loves him. So that is why. And Chubuko also, finally Chubuko, he gave her hand into his hand, and because of that he also feels happy. And finally at the end of this play, on this occasion, on this great occasion or the auspicious occasion, that he offers some champagne, 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 right? A kind of wine or the liquid. He offers champagne for this occasion. Who? Chubuko. So now children, here in this way, there is the end of this play, the proposal. If we look at this title, the proposal, so far you must have understood that the proposal is about the marriage proposal. That was the main topic or the subject. But instead of the main topic or the subject, they keep on quarreling on the different issues there. Some petty matters for the issues. And finally what happens, we have seen here. Clear? So now in this way, here is the end of the summary of this play, the proposal. I hope you have understood the things clearly. Now only one thing is left, the theme or the central idea of this play, that we will discuss in the next video module.